Hey guys, it's Bridget Moore with the Bridget Moore Group at CB&A Realtors. I am here today to show you this beautiful home located in Alden Bridge of the Woodlands in Texas. It's one of our latest listings. It's a gorgeous one-story, just over 2,200 square feet, gorgeous finishes. You've got a pool, 2 bedrooms, a study, completely low maintenance lifestyle, which is absolutely awesome, but you're missing none of the amenities. Let's go take a look. This is one of my favorite places of the house, not because I cook, but if you do, you've got awesome appliances. You've got a 5-burner gas range, but you've got tons of light, tons of counter space, great for entertaining, beautiful views of the pool, walls of window, it's open to the den, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. You've got a split floor plan with your primary bedroom having a private door out to the pool, wood floors, and tons of space for furniture. You've got an awesome primary bathroom with dual sinks, a vanity, granite countertops, separate shower, jetted tub, and a huge walk-in closet with built-ins. If you've got any questions or want to schedule a private tour, please reach out to the Bridget Moore Group today. We'd love to help you.